In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert currencies in Google Sheets with Google Finance. First, open a new untitled Google Sheet. With a blank grid in front of you, click into an empty cell where you want the conversion result to appear. We'll use a built-in function that pulls the latest exchange rate directly into your sheet, so you don't have to copy numbers from a website or update them by hand. Type the formula exactly like this: Ik Google Finance, currency USD or EUR. The word currency tells Google Sheets which data to fetch, and the USD-EUR pair asks for the rate from US dollars to euros. Press enter, and after a moment you should see a number populate in the cell. That's the current exchange rate, refreshed automatically by Google Finance. If you prefer a cleaner view, you can format the cell as a number with a reasonable number of decimal places so it's easier to read. Now let's make the common conversion from USD to EUR practical. In another cell, type the amount in US dollars that you want to convert, for example, 250. Then, where you want the converted total, multiply that amount by the exchange rate you just pulled. Your formula would look like this: A2, Google Finance, currency, USD, EUR. Assuming your dollar amount is in A2, hit enter and the cell will display the equivalent amount in euros based on the live rate. If the rate changes, your converted total will update as well, which is great for budgets and quotes. As you follow along on screen, double check a few details if anything doesn't appear. Make sure you've typed the currency pair with 3-letter ISO codes separated by a slash and wrapped the whole thing in quotes. If you see an error, correct any typos and try again. You can also replace USD EUR with any other pair you need, like GBP JPY or CAD AUD, using the same pattern. For repeat use across many rows, reference your amount cell and keep the currency formula consistent so you can fill down quickly. Depending on your spreadsheet locale, you might need semicolons instead of commas in formulas. Use the hint that appears as you type to match your setup. And because the data is fetched online, make sure you're connected to the internet for results to load. That's all there is to it. You've opened a sheet, entered the Google Finance formula, converted USD to EUR, and watch the result appear. Simple, reliable, and always up to date inside Google Sheets.